Hello guys, I have brought a drone. I will open and show you my drone. It is very interesting in flying. The drone comes in this packet. Here are the instructions of the drone. I will open them and show you. This is an micro drone. You can see these instructions and ask for if you need to build it. You can ask from your parents. I will close it out. And now I will open this drone. Here are its buttons and I have put the cells already. You can see. The remote is on cells and the drone can fly with battery. Here it is stuffed. Here is the charger and here are two extra wings in case any wing broke. Now I will close this and this drone comes in its remote only. To start this drone, you can see there is a small button on the side. You have to push it from off to on. And here you can put the charger. It will take time in connecting and the remote will start from here. I will tell you the buttons. With this button we can move and fly. Now with these buttons we can make it fly up and down, and these buttons make it so fast it is a little out of control. Now it is connecting with the drone. Now the remote is connecting with the drone. It will fly. When it is connected, I will fly it. When it is connected, these lights will stop. It will stay at the same color. Now I am moving this to fly, but it is not working. Now I will stand up so you can see the drone fly. When its buttons will connect, I will keep the charger away. It will take time to start and connect. It takes lots of time to start, and I have told you the drone can come here inside. Now the drone is gonna start. I'm making the drone go up. It is coming towards me. To make it come down, it will come like this, up and down. And now I will land it with this button. You can see. I will lift the drone and fly it again.